Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Central Campbell County, East Central Scott County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Jacksboro, Oregon, 13 miles west of Lafayette, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jacksboro around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lafayette around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Newcastle, Royal Blue, Maryville, Norma, Cove Lake State Park, and Smoky Junction. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 134 and 144. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.